Welcome to today's session on TradingView, where we'll dive into one of the most effective strategies in technical analysis, using multiple timeframes. Whether you're a day trader or a long-term investor, understanding this technique can drastically improve your trading decisions. Let's start by opening up TradingView and selecting a currency pair. For our example, we'll use the Euro per USD pair. Now, the first step in multi-time frame analysis is to choose your timeframes. Typically, traders use a combination of long, medium, and short-term charts. We begin with the weekly chart. This is your strategic frame. It sets the stage for identifying the overall trend. Look for major trends, support, and resistance levels. Here, on our Euro to USD chart, notice the long-term upward trend and key resistance levels highlighted. Next, switch to a daily chart. This is your tactical time frame. Here, you'll refine your analysis by looking for potential entry points that align with the trend observed in the weekly chart. For instance, see how the price is reacting to the resistance level we identified earlier. There's a consolidation pattern forming. Lastly, we'll zoom into the 4-hour chart. This operational frame is where you make your trading decisions. It's perfect for spotting trade execution signals like breakouts or reversals. Right here, notice the breakout occurring above the resistance level? That's your cue for a potential entry. Now observe how all these charts come together. The weekly chart gave us the direction, the daily chart showed us the setup, and the 4-hour chart provided the exact trigger point. By aligning your trades across multiple time frames, you can increase the probability of success, catching trends early, and managing risk effectively. Utilize TradingView's drawing tools to mark these levels and patterns. It's essential for visual learners and helps in maintaining clarity across different time frames. Always remember to adjust your risk management strategies according to the insights gained from each time frame. That's a wrap on our multi-time frame analysis tutorial using TradingView. Practice this technique consistently to develop a deeper understanding and improve your trading skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more insights right here. Happy trading!